30 cool YouTube video shorts viral hacks and tips to conquer your channel in 2023. Does that sound like something that you would love to know? Welcome to our channel where we upload regular videos to help you succeed in YouTube and also in your online journey. Sit tight and let the magic begin. Hack 1. Start with a hook that captures attention and encourages viewers to keep watching. This could be a surprising statement, a visually striking image, or a question that piques their interest. Hack 2. Keep it short and sweet. YouTube Shorts have a maximum length of 60 seconds, so make sure your content is concise and to the point. Don't try to cram too much into a single short. Hack 3. Use text overlays to add context and emphasize key points. This is especially important since shorts are often viewed on mobile devices without sound. Use clear and concise text that's easy to read on small screens. Hack 4. Leverage trending topics and popular hashtags to increase discoverability and reach. Use tools like Google Trends and YouTube search bar to identify what's trending and relevant to your niche. Hack 5. Use music and sound effects to enhance your shorts and make them more engaging. Consider using music and sound effects that match the mood and tone of your content. Hack 6. Repurpose existing long-form content into shorts to save time and effort. Look for opportunities to repurpose content you've already created, such as cutting down a longer video or creating a teaser for an upcoming video. Hack 7. Experiment with different styles and formats, such as tutorials, vlogs, and animations, to keep your audience engaged. Try out different styles to see what resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Hack 8. Collaborate with other creators in your niche to reach new audiences and build relationships. Reach out to other creators in your niche to collaborate on a short or series of shorts. Hack 9. Use calls to action to encourage engagement and drive traffic to your other content or social media channels. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe, and provide links to your other content and social media channels. Hack 10. Analyze your performance metrics regularly to identify what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Use YouTube Analytics to track metrics such as views, engagement, and watch time. Use the insights to refine your content and strategy. Hack 11. Use audience retention data to improve your videos. By analyzing data on how long people are watching your videos, you can identify areas that need improvement and make changes to increase engagement and watch time. Hack 12. Create a consistent upload schedule. By consistently uploading new content on a regular basis, you'll be able to build a loyal audience and increase visibility on YouTube. Hack 13. Use YouTube's built-in analytics to track your progress. By keeping an eye on your channel's analytics, you can identify trends and patterns in your audience's behavior and make data-driven decisions to improve your channel. Hack 14. Create a call to action at the end of your videos. By asking viewers to take a specific action, such as subscribing to your channel or leaving a comment, you can increase engagement and build a loyal audience. Hack 15. Use YouTube's live streaming feature to connect with your audience. Live streaming allows you to interact with viewers in real time and build a sense of community around your channel. Hack 16. Create a YouTube channel trailer. A channel trailer is a short video that gives new viewers a taste of what your channel is all about and encourages them to subscribe. Hack 17. Use YouTube's cards and end screens to drive traffic to your other content. By linking to other videos or your website, you can increase engagement and keep viewers on your channel for longer. Hack 18. Make use of YouTube's Community tab. The Community tab is a feature that allows you to share text posts, live videos, and polls with your audience, which can help you build a sense of community and keep your audience engaged. Hack 19. use YouTube's monetization features to make money from your videos. By enabling monetization, you can earn money from ads, sponsorships, and other revenue streams. Hack 20. Take advantage of YouTube's Creator Studio. The Creator Studio is a powerful tool that allows you to manage your channel, create and edit videos, and track your analytics all in one place. Hack 21. Create a consistent branding for your channel. By using a consistent color scheme, logo, and style in your videos and channel art, you'll be able to build a strong brand identity that helps you stand out and attract more viewers. Hack 22. Use YouTube's analytics to track your progress and make data-driven decisions. By keeping an eye on your channel's analytics, you can identify trends and patterns in your audience's behavior and make changes to your content and marketing strategy to improve your channel. Hack 23. Create a content calendar to plan and organize your videos. By creating a schedule for your content, you'll be able to stay on track and ensure that you're consistently uploading new videos. Hack 24. Use YouTube's SEO features to improve your video's visibility. By optimizing your video's title, description, and tags, you'll be able to rank higher in search results and get more views. Hack 25. Use YouTube's analytics to track the performance of your videos. By keeping an eye on your video's views, engagement, and watch time, you'll be able to identify which videos are performing well and which ones need improvement. Hack 26. Create a YouTube channel intro. A channel intro is a short video that plays at the beginning of each of your videos and helps to introduce your channel to new viewers. Hack 27. Create a YouTube channel outro. A channel outro is a short video that plays at the end of each of your videos and helps to keep viewers engaged and encourage them to subscribe. Hack 28. Use YouTube's analytics to track the performance of your ads by keeping an eye on your ads' click-through rate, conversion rate, and other metrics. Hack 29. Choose what and whose advice to implement carefully. Not every noisemaker is a good teacher. Hack 30. Believe in yourself and always focus on winning. We have now outlined the promised 30 cool YouTube video shorts viral hacks and tips to conquer your channel in 2023. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon to be notified whenever a new video is published. We really appreciate you. Cheers.